How to mix audio on Instagram Reels? For that you have to open Instagram and tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. On your profile feed you need to select the Reels and choose any Reels of your choice. Once you open your Reel you need to tap on three dots which is right of the screen and here select the remix option. So once your reels get open, you can add music. From the top of the screen, you can see the music icon. Select the music icon and now select any music of your choice. Once you select the music, you can tap on Done at top right corner of the screen. Now tap on Edit Video which is at the bottom left corner of the screen. And here you can see the volume button at the bottom of the screen next to voiceover. And here you can easily customize the audio you want to mix on the Instagram Reels. You can either increase or decrease the clip audio and decrease the music audio as well in this way or anything of your choice. Once you have done, you can tap on the done button at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can also add the voiceover if you wish to. Once you are done with mixing audio on Instagram Reels, tap on the top right corner arrow icon. You can also add a sticker or text on your audio Instagram Reels. If you don't like, then tap on next button at the bottom right corner. Let's add any sticker here and the text. Once you have done, tap on next button and wait until it is being processed. If you want to share, you can tap on share button. Before that you can customize all the options from here, and that's how we mix audio on Instagram Reels. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.